let's talk about mirrors, Kenny. And we are going to talk about, first thing, we did some hinges on this one, obviously our mirror install, and I dig how awesome those are. We set them up just so they sound like that. Anyway, I want to talk about mirrors real quick for everyone. Everyone asks, what mirrors we use. We love Boost mirrors. Boost Auto assembles an awesome mirror from what we found. We've never had any problems with them. At times we do have to modify the stops if they're not in the right park position. And real quick on that note, when I say stops, inside you have a stop where the mirror actually is parked. What we found is we've had some mirrors where they're not parked, they're too far out. So then you tilt the mirror and you can't see down the side of the truck. We like to have the passenger side at a 61 degrees back and the driver's at a 65 degree. And so what we do is we'll pull the tube assembly out of the mirror to modify the stops. We'll grind it off there, and then we re-weld the stop in a different location. We'll mock it all up. But the reason I want to tell people is we went to go do this on these eBay mirrors, and the problem was the mirror did not want to come apart. Usually what you do is you pop the lens out of the top, you pop the bottom, you take the framework apart. This eBay mirror, what they did is for this bottom piece, they actually put a screw through the center of it and then put this glass over it. Now, that makes it really difficult because you have to break the glass to get to that screw, to take the lens out, to get to two bottom bolts, then to the two top. It was a nightmare. So the other problem we ran into is that the stop was really sloppy. Now, we'll walk over this way and I'll show you what I'm talking about. The slop was in the park mechanism, and so this is what you'd get, this vague back and forth when it's in the stop or in the park detent. And what's happened is the roll pin that they actually used too small of a roll pin. It's kind of tough to see in there, but this pot metal is moving back and forth.
Oh, you can see it, yeah.
So that's a problem. I like to let people know this stuff because I don't want to have to answer an email. I'd rather tell people, hey, this is what we got to look out for when you get an eBay mirror. And maybe some other manufacturers. All I know is when I get a set of Boost mirrors, we rarely ever have to modify them. If we do, like I said, it's maybe the stop is in the wrong location, but I don't get the sloppiness like this.
I think a lot of people too, they forget, this mirror's intended to go on an 88 to 98 Silverado, which is a little different than these trucks. So,
right. But even with that, check us out. We've got a new product coming out also that reinforces this pocket, which makes the door even more stout.
Is that going to work on just trucks with tow mirrors?
It'll work on every truck, which is awesome because a lot of these trucks, there's a webbing that breaks out in the door, which we take out to install this new product. So we'll have final pictures here coming up. Stay back. All right, stay back. But what's cool about this is if you've already installed our tow mirror setup, this actually, and you've already painted your doors, you don't have to repaint your door. This actually will bolt in, so you don't have to worry about messing up that brand new paint. So it's something we've been working on for a while. We've had a couple of trucks come through. We've used it on. It worked awesome. We've just been kind of like finalizing it. So we'll have that for you guys soon. But anyway, just a little mirror talk today on a Tuesday. Yeah. Mirror talk.
Buy good mirrors because by the time you buy cheap ones and get them fixed by us, you're gonna.
It sucks.
Be ahead.
It sucks. And like I said, even good mirrors, we still have to adjust the stops from time to time. That's not the end of the world. It's not that difficult. If you got a good quality mirror that pulls apart, you can adjust that stop. Like I said, just move the detent. It's welded onto the main tube assembly of the mirror. So anyway, hope you guys have a rad Tuesday.